Chapter 19 Environmental Degradation. The Earth is the only planet in the solar system that supports life. Life on Earth exists in the biosphere, a narrow zone made up of land, water and air. The conditions in which an organism exists make up its environment. The physical components of the environment include materials such as rocks, soil, water and air, as well as the heat and light received from the sun. The sun is the main source of energy for the Earth, although the Earth receives only a small fraction of the total energy radiated by the sun. The incoming solar energy that reaches the Earth's surface is called insolation. During photosynthesis, green plants use energy from the sun and materials like carbon dioxide and water from the environment to produce food. In this process, solar energy is converted into chemical energy and is stored within the plant bodies. The animals which eat plants get energy from the plants. The animals in turn pass on energy to those that eat them. Thus, all organisms have same solar energy trapped in their bodies. Environmental degradation. Nature has a system which ensures that living things get everything they need to survive from their surroundings, but the increasing needs and greed of man has changed the natural surroundings. Such changes disturb the natural environment and degrades it. This degradation of natural environment is causing serious health hazards these days. Forms of environmental degradation. There are mainly two forms of environmental degradation. 1. Depletion of natural resources. 2. Pollution of resources. 1. Depletion of natural resources. The free gifts of nature such as minerals, soil, water, air, forests, wildlife, etc. are called natural resources. Some natural resources like minerals are non-renewable and some natural resources like soil, water, air, forests and wildlife are renewable. The natural resources are getting depleted due to overuse and wastage. For example, due to the development of fast means of transport, the consumption of petrol is increasing day by day. Its reserves are limited. It is an important source of energy. It is used as the source of energy in various automobiles. Diesel is also obtained from petroleum mineral oil. All buses, trucks and railway engines use diesel as the source of energy. Petroleum is a non-renewable source of energy. It cannot be regenerated. Its overuse may cause energy crisis in future. Due to industrialization, the use of other minerals such as coal, iron, copper, bauxite, manganese, etc. is increasing day by day. Steel, which is used to make utensils, machines, cars, etc. and cement, which is an important building material, are also obtained from minerals. All these minerals are getting depleted because they are non-renewable natural resources. Forests and wildlife. At present, the area under forests has declined considerably. In many countries, forests are cleared for farming, building houses, roads and railway lines, etc. The depletion of forests is largely a result of human activities. As the human population is growing, the need for more fields, pastures, settlements, etc. is causing more forests to be cleared. Large-scale falling of trees without replanting has led to deforestation. Like deforestation, reckless hunting of wild animals by humans is also causing depletion of wildlife. The Indian cheetah, hunted for its hide, is now extinct. Whales have been hunted for their meat and fat. According to the estimates of the International Union for Conservation of Nature, IUCN, more than 6,000 plant species and more than 5,000 animal species are under the threat of extinction. It results in the imbalance of nature. For example, the extinction of a flesh-eating species can lead to a rise in the population of plant-eating species. This can in turn lead to overgrazing, drought and soil erosion. Soil, About 4/5 of the Earth's land surface is covered by relatively loose material consisting of fine rock particles and organic matter. This material is known as soil. Soil is usually depleted by erosion, i.e. the carrying away of soil by natural agents like wind and flowing water. Plants check soil erosion. They act as barriers to the flow of wind and water, and their roots bind the soil. So human activities such as deforestation, overgrazing, etc. has also caused soil depletion. Water resources. We use water in agriculture and industries, power generation, and domestic purposes. As the human population is increasing more and more, water is being used to meet the needs of growing industries and the increasing agricultural activities. The surface water as well as groundwater resources are getting depleted. 2. Pollution of resources. Pollution means deterioration in quality caused by the presence of undesirable or harmful substances. Pollution of environment refers mainly to the pollution of land, water and air. It can cause permanent damage to the environment, which cannot be repaired by natural processes. Land pollution. Today's industrial society produces a huge amount of garbage. The disposal of such wastes is a major problem, especially in the urban areas. The heaps of garbage, when left open, become breeding grounds of rodents, flies and mosquitoes, which spread diseases. Water pollution. Waste water from our homes, hospitals and factories is usually discharged into water bodies. It contains disease-causing germs. It makes water unfit for drinking and may kill aquatic plants and animals. Air pollution. Air pollution is caused mainly by harmful substances emitted into the atmosphere by industries and automobiles. It causes respiratory diseases and affects the skin and eyes. Checking environmental degradation. Environmental degradation can be checked by 1. Preventing wastage and overuse of resources. 2. Planting more and more trees. 3. Using pollution-free techniques in industries and automobiles. 4. Conserving non-renewable resources by using renewable resources as far as possible. 5. Using modern sewage disposal techniques to check pollution. 6. Reusing agricultural and industrial waste.